Imagine if you didn't need medicines to improve your health. If you could boost your immunity system in a more natural way. You could sleep well and wake up full of energy. This can be obtained through a regular practice of yoga postures. Yoga is an ancient practice, thousands of years old, and now science is catching up and is verifying all these benefits of yoga. In this workshop, I'm going to introduce you to the regular practice of yoga, and you will be able to learn how to implement it in your daily life and get maximum benefits.